In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to turn on Gemini AI in Google Docs so you can write faster and more efficiently. Whether you're preparing a report or drafting an essay, this tool is designed to enhance your writing experience by offering a variety of editing options. Let's dive into the process, starting with accessing Google Docs. First, you'll want to open your web browser and head over to Google's homepage. Once you're there, simply enter Google Docs into the search bar. This will direct you to a list of results where you should see the Google Docs website. Click on that link to access the platform. Once you've reached the Google Docs homepage, it's time to open the specific document you wish to edit. If you're working on a new document, you can create one using the blank document option. But for now, let's assume you already have a document ready to go. Click on the document to open it up for editing. With your document open, the next step involves selecting a paragraph that you are interested in refining or enhancing. Click and drag your mouse over the paragraph to highlight it. This is where the magic happens with Gemini AI. After your text is highlighted, you'll notice the option to refine it. Click on Refine, and you'll be presented with several editing tools powered by Gemini AI. One of the first options you'll see is to rephrase the text. If your writing is a bit clunky or unclear, the rephrase feature can help smooth out your sentences and make your point more effectively. To use it, simply click on Rephrase and watch as your text is transformed into a more polished version. Next, you might want to consider the option to shorten your paragraph. Perhaps you've exceeded a word count, or you need to condense your message. By clicking Shorten, Gemini AI will help tighten up your prose without losing the essence of your message. If you're aiming for more depth or detail, the Elaborate option allows you to expand on your ideas. This is particularly useful when you need to provide more context or examples to strengthen your argument or narrative. Finally, if you're drafting something for a more formal setting, like a professional letter or academic paper, the Formal option can elevate the tone and style of your writing. Click on Formal, and Gemini AI will adjust your text for an appropriately formal tone. Each of these tools is designed to streamline your workflow and enhance the quality of your writing. By integrating Gemini AI into your Google Docs editing process, you'll find that writing becomes not just faster, but more efficient and impactful. I hope this guide helps you leverage the capabilities of Gemini AI in your day-to-day writing tasks. Thanks for watching, and happy writing!